Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use Tap Pay with Cash App. So first of all, you need to make sure that Tap to Pay is supported. So make sure your phone has NFC, and here are instructions how to check if you have available NFC in your mobile phone. And also you need to be in US because Cash App Tap to Pay is only supported in USA. Now let's go on the second step. You need to open your Cash App. You need to make sure your card is activated. So you need to tap your card icon at the bottom right. If it says activated Cash App card, follow the steps. Now we need to add your cash card to your phone wallet. So for iPhones, you need to use Apple Pay, tap card icon in the Cash App, click add to Apple Wallet, follow on-screen steps to confirm. Once added, your cash card will be ready to tap to pay using Apple Pay. For Androids, here is the instruction. You also need to tap the card icon in Cash App. Then you need to click Add to Google Play, follow the prompts, and connect your cash card to Google Wallet. Now let's go on the final step, how to use Tap to Pay at store. At checkout, you need to tell the cashier that you're paying with a card or contactless. Unlock your phone, hold your phone or the card reader about 1 to 2 inches away. You will feel a vibration or hear a beep when payment is successful. Done, your cash card was charged through Tap Pay. There are some extra tips. Make sure your cash card has enough balance or linked bank balance. Tap to Pay works only at terminals that accepts contactless cards. You can check your transaction history right in the Cash App. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.